buying a sauna? Want to know the key things to look for? Keep watching to learn more. Saunas are a great way to de-stress and relax. If you're thinking about buying one for your home, no doubt you'll have a few questions like how much they cost, what size to get, what features, and where to put it. In this video, you'll learn the top 9 things to consider when shopping for a sauna so you can enjoy the benefits from the comfort of your home. What type of sauna is best? Traditional steam saunas and infrared saunas are the most common types for home use. Steam saunas use heated rocks to produce steam, which creates a very hot and humid environment. On the other hand, infrared saunas use infrared heaters to create radiant heat, which heats the body directly. Infrared heat waves penetrate more deeply than warmed air, so you get a more intense sweat at a lower temperature. Infrared saunas usually operate between 46 to 57 degrees, while traditional saunas can get up to 85 degrees. Steam or infrared? Which one should you choose? If you can't imagine a sauna without hot rocks, steam, and high heat, then a traditional sauna might fit best. Just keep in mind that traditional saunas are more expensive due to their design and high installation cost. On the other hand, if you want the benefits of a sauna without extreme heat, an infrared sauna could be the way to go. How much should you spend? The cost will depend on a number of factors, including the type, quality, size, and extra features. Traditional steam saunas are usually more expensive than infrared therapy saunas, mostly due to the burner and installation costs. As with most things in life, you get what you pay for. Cheaper saunas tend to be made with low-end materials and can be expensive to repair. Making a list of must-have and nice-to-have features is a great way to determine your budget. Where should you put it? Installing a sauna in your home is a great investment. It can add value to your property, or if it's portable like most infrared saunas are, you can take it with you when you move. An infrared sauna can be installed in a variety of locations inside your home. However, a spare bedroom is the most popular choice. Traditional steam saunas can be more restrictive. They often need to be professionally installed due to their plumbing, drainage, ventilation, and electrical requirements. Ask yourself the following questions. Would you like your sauna to be inside or outdoors? If so, then a steam sauna might be best for you. What are the limitations of your property? If space is minimal or you cannot modify the property, then an infrared sauna might be the best solution. What are the dimensions of the space? Do you have a large dedicated circuit or a surface to the property to power a steam sauna? Will the sauna be easy to access? Factors like access and the view from inside are also important to keep in mind. For traditional steam saunas, is there adequate ventilation and provision for drainage, plumbing, and electrical outlets? If not, or if you do not have the budget for this, then an infrared sauna is the way to go. What size sauna should you buy? Now you've thought about the location of your sauna, you can start thinking about the size. Portable home saunas come in a variety of sizes. Deciding what size sauna to buy depends on a few things. The size of your indoor or outdoor space and any limitations, your budget, and how many people will be using it at any one time. As a rough guide, allow at least 50 centimeters of bench space for each person. If you prefer to lay out while you're using a sauna, then you should also consider this in determining the correct size. If you feel claustrophobic in small spaces, you might want a larger sauna with a full glass front and as much glass as possible on the sides. What is the best wood for a sauna? Infrared and steam saunas can be made from a wide variety of different woods, including premium hemlock, spruce and cedar, less expensive pine and plywood, and more. Cedar and hemlock are the most common sauna timbers for a good reason. These are premium, durable timbers. Cedar has a rich aroma and elegant finish, is resistant to splitting and shrinking, and is antibacterial. However, some people can be allergic to cedar. If you are unsure, you should consider hemlock. Hemlock is a beautiful furniture wood with smooth, contoured lines and edges. Hemlock is low in scent, so is a good choice for people with allergies. Because of their high quality, cedar and hemlock are more expensive than cheaper varieties like pine or plywood. Pro tip, make sure to avoid saunas that use toxic glues and always make sure the wood is from a sustainable source. Look for a Forest Stewardship Council certification to make sure the timber is from a sustainable source. Ceramic or carbon infrared heater, which is best? Ceramic and carbon are the two most common materials used in infrared heaters. Of the two, carbon heaters are the superior option. They're more expensive but are thin and light, provide an even and safe surface temperature, and can last up to 50 years. Infrared heat produced by carbon fibre heaters penetrates deeply into the skin tissue. This allows the body to absorb more energy, meaning you experience a less intense sweat. Other things to consider with infrared sauna heating include, does it have surround heating? Ideally you want heaters on the back wall, side walls, under the bench by your calves, so you are surrounded by infrared heat. What type of infrared heat do you want? Infrared heaters can deliver near, mid, far, and full spectrum infrared heat. Near and far infrared heating elements are the most common because they produce more heat. What's the surface temperature? A heater with a lower surface area temperature will produce a more precise wavelength consistently throughout your sauna session, which is more effective and efficient. Are extra features worth it? Are you interested in light therapy? Would you like to listen to music while relaxing in your sauna? Once you know your budget, as well as the type and size of sauna you're after, you can look at entertainment options. Extra features might include chromotherapy or light therapy, smart control systems, LED lighting, Bluetooth sound system, automatic timers, roof vents, ergonomically designed benches, plus aesthetic choices including windows and doors. What are the sauna safety standards and risks? For peace of mind, you'll want to make sure your sauna is constructed to the highest quality and safety standards. Some important safety factors to consider are non-toxic materials, tempered safety glass, timer with an automatic shutdown, electrical certification, and an EMF report which will show you the sauna's electromagnetic field levels. The US Environmental Protection Authority has put a 3 milligas safety limit in place for EMF levels, so you'll want to make sure the EMF rating of the sauna you buy is less than this. At Spa World, we've ensured our infrared saunas are less than 3 milligas. What should a sauna warranty cover? Your sauna is an investment. Make sure you buy from a trusted company that offers extensive warranties. Ideally, the warranty should cover the heating system, your power supply, control panel, wood, and any glass. As a minimum, you should expect a lifetime warranty on the sauna cabin and heaters, and at least 2 years on electrical components. So remember, the best quality saunas should have quality construction with durable timbers, high safety standards, an effective and safe heating system, great design to suit your tastes, extra features and personalisation, and extensive warranties. To find out more about infrared saunas, get in touch with our expert team. The link is in the description below, or pop into your local Spa World showroom to see our fantastic range. Thanks for watching.